back to my channel. Today we will be covering one of the many tutorials in my Crochet Basics series. This series will be covering the fundamentals of crochet, things like basic stitches, how to make a magic circle, and many others. Today we will be covering the magic circle. Now the magic circle, like the chain that I did in my previous video, link below, is the foundation of many projects, things like hats, amigurumi, and sometimes you can chain 4 and then slip stitch to join and work in the circle of those chains, but I prefer to use the magic circle. You're able to secure the loop tighter, it's just kind of like a cleaner look, and all together you can make so many things with this. So what we're going to do is similar to how we created the slip knot with our previous video in the chain, is we are going to wrap around behind. But I like to use 2 fingers so that I have more slack to work with in making my magic circle. So here we go. Wrap behind, pull up. We've created that X like we have done in the past. And if you're new here and this is your first time, we're going to create this X either way, and then we are going to put our hook under the first loop, snag up that second string, and pull up like so. Now we are not going to pull tight, okay? We're going to twist, because if we pull tight, we're going to lose this loop here, and that loop is our magic circle. That's what we want. We want this loop, okay? So we're going to twist, and then I like to do a chain just to lock that little loop in place, and then we have our magic circle right here. And then we are going to be working around the loop in the circle, and then we're able to take our tail and pull it tight to close that circle. And like I said, it's easier to use a magic circle because you kind of close that gap in that space that, say, a chain 4 slip stitch to join would create. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and click that notification bell to be notified when the next video in the Crochet Basics tutorial series comes out.